a very good evening to this wonderful August gathering. I, Dhriti Bhatia, am really honored, and it's with great pride that I stand before each and every one of you as the newly appointed head girl of ESCO International School. First and foremost, I would really like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Director Principal, Dr. Amrita Bora, Assistant Principal, Dr. Pallavi Mukherjee, our esteemed Chief Guest, Lieutenant General Sunil Puri and Mrs. Rashmi Puri, HMs, coordinators, respected teachers, supportive parents, and to all my fellow council members. I would like to thank our wonderful teachers, Sugandha ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Deboshri ma'am, Natasha ma'am, for believing and having complete faith in my potential and capability, and for providing me with this exceptional opportunity. I am really overwhelmed and really very excited for this year. I am so thrilled that I might just start a dance party, and you know what Punjabis do. Oh, balle balle! For me, this position truly means a lot, as I have had this goal from, I would say, 5th standard to become a role model and to have responsibilities and to carry on those responsibilities with my utmost determination. So I would say that finally, after positive 9 years, I have proudly achieved the post I had manifested for. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. I didn't get this position because of my exceptional dance moves or my ability to conquer a 1,000-piece puzzle in 1 second. Well, I must say, both of these skills are pretty impressive. My parents have already recruited her for the next game night. I hope they have some snacks. I wanted to dance today, but I couldn't, or else you all would have been wowed. Now, I would like to address someone who is as cool as a cucumber and as handsome as Baba Sehgal. We all know the Indian rapper. Having the perfect physique and the perfect sense of humor, he is none other than our favorite Mr. Mandar Rajput. The teacher who scolds, who advises, and gives us the guidance to reach at the top. The one who agrees to give us games period for 2 consecutive days, jeopardizing his period. Sir, aapko dil se salam. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything you have done. So, but I still don't know why you call the Senate white people and the juniors colorful people, sir. Okay. For me, this position doesn't at all mean an authoritative attitude, having total dependency on decision making or self-popularity. Instead, it means listening to the students, having an inclined helping nature towards individuals who are facing an issue. It means patience, openness, vigilance, and a charismatic and influential persona, which can become an optimistic prestige for the individuals I interact with. I would say, and what we as the council members need to understand, is that more than leaders, we are representatives. Representatives of a school and altogether everyone who constitutes this wonderful institution. We should aim to be approachable, more than a buddy, than a boss. Here, we as the democratic agents would be inculcating the same by taking suggestions from students, their ideas, their creativity, which shall help us more significantly with preferable changes. Their problems would be given ear to, and no one shall left be unheard. Take me as your personal cheerleader, minus the pom-poms, please. I would also like to share some beautiful moments I experienced during the practice session. The juniors are so adorable and so motivating. I received plenty of love and acceptance through different items and hugs especially. Love you all, juniors! So last but not the least, I would conclude by saying that as the newly appointed head girl, I shall do every task with my utmost sincerity, from concentrating on my studies to being there for the school at any point of time. My presence would be seen. Once again, I thank all my lovely teachers, Principal Ma'am, for everything they have done for me. Also, I would like to thank all the students for trusting me and keeping full faith in me. Together, we shall make a difference.